Clear back, guys. Yun, no? Yeah, okay, wait na. Last na to, ah. Nakakabla ko isa pa. Isa pa yung so, try ko lang. Meeting, Manuel. Pumasok talaga. Na, 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 na. Gonna change stations that I have. All I hear is you. Just keep reminding me all the things we used to do. Huwag ka munang mag-pretend, Rose. Oh, the radio. Right, you nawawala ako. Get out my since I'm spoken to you. Don't know why.
Oh, meron pa rin. Oh, nakakatapos pala eh. Ignore na lang. Umayos ka! Ako, tapos huwag lang yung nakakot sa akin.
I won't go. Everyone knows.
In the same way.
Dream one day. It's in your eyes.
You got to hold your head high.
Salamat. Maraming thank you.
Aray ko, Chong. Malaki ng thank you mo. Ang gulo nyo. Okay, bossing, aaba ka ba? Huwag niyo ako apa. Baba mo na ako, okay.
Test mic po, test mic. Medyo mga Brad, pakiusap naman dun sa umaapak. Yung need girl, body. Madalas ka naman tumatambay rito eh. Siguro naman baka pwede kang pakiusapan. Huwag na lang umapak. May lineup kasi. Nakakahiyan kung malalaman ko pa na taga-12 ka rin. Minsan lang ako magmura pero kakainin mo mura ko. Nakikiusap naman ako. Hindi ako mayabang, hindi ako matapang. Ako ba ay nakikiusap lang. Para hindi naman masayang yung oras. Maraming pumipila po eh. Sisto Karet, type 1 ka na, akyat ako. Bababa pala, akyat tuloy. Yung sadike, madali inumin yan. Ang hirap tanggalin sa ulo. Baba na ako, sisikaw na.
Hindi na nangala ako pumapasok. Kaya napakat. Aray ko, ayan na naman. Sige guys, pakatayin niyo mo lang ako. Isa lang. Lalabas na ako. Kayo na Kayo na to. Okay, clear ako Okay. Wala na pasaway Get a chance that I have. All I hear is you. Keeps reminding me all the things you used to do. And I know that I should turn off the radio. But I just the only place I hear your voice anymore. It's been a month since I've spoken to you. Don't know why it came to this. No. We're walking around with my head down. I'd be a fool. Crying over you. I'm so sick of can't tell you. Gotta fix things I have. It's March 16. It feels like you forgot just what our neighbors say. And I'm afraid you don't it's me. Nawawala ako. Hear your song, I know it's best for me. Think of the song, so sad I'll be. You said you love me, why aren't you here? I'm so sick of your love song, so sad and slow, that I just can't turn off the radio. Now that I'm done. Sino ka ba, ikaw? Kilala mo ako ah. You should know. Ang dami nyo ng ano, di ko nakilala kayo. Love song, so sad of me. You said you love me, why but me? I'm so sick of your love song, so sad and slow, that I just can't get off the radio. You're so sick of love song, so sad and slow. You said you love me, so sad and slow, I just can't get off the radio. Lalala. Okay guys, yun na, tapos na yun. But sa inyo guys, babay na rin ako. I love you all. Hi, back to you, Mr. DJ.
Okay, salamat sa iyo, Karet.